Welcome to the Story-to-Screen Script Submission Guide. If you want to see your story transformed into cinematic images, or you want to test how my AI storyboard workflow works, this video will show you exactly how to submit your script for free. And everything we're using here is available right now through the link in the description. Let me show you how it works. So this is the free tier script submission page. Before you submit anything, you can explore the tutorials, watch the proof of concept, or check the preset image styles you can choose from. It only takes a few seconds to fill out. Let me show you. Enter your name, enter your email, choose your genre, choose your preferred image style. These are all the preset visual styles you can pick: cinematic, manhwa style, anime, photorealistic, oil painting, cyberpunk, 3D rendered, and so on. You can choose one from the list or describe your own custom style. Now here's the part you must pay attention to. When you paste your story here, the system will automatically count your words and paragraphs. And this is how my entire workflow operates. One paragraph equals one prompt file equals one cinematic image. It doesn't matter if the paragraph has one sentence or 5 sentences. If there's no empty line, that entire block becomes one image. So if you want more images, break your text into more paragraphs. Example, original, 1 paragraph, 1 image. The hero raised his sword, whispered a prayer, and charged forward. Converted into 3 images. The hero raised his sword. He whispered a prayer. Then he charged forward. That's 3 paragraphs, 3 images. You can even break a sentence on purpose if you want more dramatic or cinematic pacing. It's up to you. When you click Submit, the system will generate a unique script link. You'll also receive an email with your request. And within 24 hours, the free tier will send you your asset and scene prompts created from your script. If you want faster turnaround, longer scripts, or daily submissions, you can also upgrade to the Creator Circle using the link inside the app. That tier is for creators who want to produce visuals consistently and build a full project or series. So try it out. Click the link in the description, submit your story, and see your scenes transformed into cinematic visuals. I'll see you inside.